Hey everybody, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm here with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. You ready? Let's go. Today's tip is going to be short, sweet, simple, to the point, and for some of you, hopefully, will trigger a shift in think and cause you to take a new level of action towards getting right with your money and getting your money right. So here we go. Right off Uncle G's Twitter page. Money can't buy happiness. Poverty can't buy anything. Okay? Got it? Money can't buy happiness. True that. Poverty can't buy anything. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program with training on getting right with your money and getting your money right, head on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching. And be great, because nothing else pays.